What is going on, guys? Revitup 7 here. I grew up in the early 2000s, so a lot of the Hot Wheels that I was messing around with were from the 90s, early 2000s, late 2000s, that era. And so I'll always have a soft spot for it, and everybody on this channel that follows it relatively consistently knows that. So here's a little gift. I got some 90s, mostly late 90s Hot Wheels to mostly open up, and I thought I'd go over some of them, show off their artwork, cards, packaging, and just what makes them so good. Some of them I'm keeping in the box, so I'll start with those because that's less interesting. From I think 1997 or 1996, the Rock and Rod series, Porsche 911. It's got honestly a super ugly paint scheme. They got some guitar frets on it. It says metal on the side. Metal. This is a metal themed car. Each one was a different genre. Turquoise with yellow and red flames was interesting. But I like Porsches, and this is hard to come by. In my experience, I haven't seen it before, so I'm going to keep that in the box. And then, kind of like the grail of this set, was from 1989. This Hot Bird in blue. T-top Firebird. I had never seen this before. This is very cool. New paint style. This was from a store called Long's, and it was $1.19 back then, so... Hot Wheels gone down in quality a little bit. Still pretty cheap, as we know. Join the Points Club, the Speed Points Club. Get an 8-page bulletin plus a poster, stickers, and more. Speed Points. Wonder how that worked. Interesting. All right, let's open some cars up. This is the White Ice series, Speed Machine, which I also know is called like, what is this called? Something Bullet. Got a couple names. I love these extremely basic white or flat paint scheme cars. I love these 3-spoke wheels too, the Viper wheels. Weird fantasy casting from the 80s with the red cockpit and the white body. It looks nice. All metal. It's got some weight to it. These always roll really well because they got weight to them. Nice. Let's mix it up with an orange Camaro Z28. This one's from KB Toys originally. Just an orange Camaro. An orange 20-year-old Camaro at this point. All metal as well. This one's got a black base, but it's all metal. Orange. Camaro on the windshield, Hot Wheels on the mirror. If I ever have a like relatively mundane car that I want to keep for a while, I do want to stick a little logo on it like this. Or I'll put these badass wheels or something similar on like a sedan and then treat it like a 90s Hot Wheel like they used to do with those Lexuses. So here's the Camaro. More 90s Jaguar XK8. Speaking of exact cars that I would do what I just said to, you can get a Jaguar XK8 for like $5,000 to $10,000 for a decent one. Can you imagine putting some Hot Wheels 90s looking wheels on one? It's suddenly a Hot Wheels car. Here's this turquoise Jaguar. I wouldn't get a convertible one of these. I like the hard tops. And last but not least, this Corvette Stingray. Should be part of the White Ice series. It looks like it fits right in with it. This is a heavy car. Full metal. Man, I missed that. You could throw this at somebody and severely hurt them. Just like the Camaro and the Speed Machine car, this follows the trend of completely bare bones color and a little logo on it somewhere. That's why I picked some of these up. Bouncy. Then the true, why you clicked on this video, Sweet 16 2 from the cover, I think, or it's one of the poster cars from Hot Wheels Turbo Racing. This is part of a Toys R Us promotion. Look at that. The poster car for Hot Wheels Turbo Racing. This is going to go with my video game car collection. Well, thank you guys for watching. I'm checking out some 90s Hot Wheels over here. Oh, look at that on the channel. Flash Fire. Shark Cruiser, favorite of the channel. Shock Factor. Have a good one, guys. Subscribe for more videos. Have a good rest of your day.